Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to activate SSL for your Hostinger websites. First of all guys, I will need you to go and open your browser and then go to the URL section and search for Hostinger. So here it is. Now guys, I will tell you a brief of Hostinger platform, what it does. So basically, Hostinger is a platform that gives you a bunch of servers or like hostings, VPS, email, domain names. You can get hostings at really decent prices, as you can see here, $2 for one website, 50 gigabyte SSD, and 100 gigabyte bandwidth. Here, as you can see, if you want $1 more, you will get this feature, which is 100 websites, 100 gigabyte, and unlimited bandwidth, and of course, free domain if you wanted to get it. So as you can see here, after signing up for a 12 to 24 month on Hostinger, you will get a free .com website. Now, let's say that you wanted to get a domain name, you can get it also from here. And same goes for VPS hosting and for email. So you can get whatever you'd like from these options. Now, let's say you wanted now to actually add an SSL to your website domain name. So first of all, you have to buy the domain name from here, choose the .com or whatever kind of thing you'd like, and then log into your account. Here, it will open each panel of Hostinger. So here it is, my website. As you can click on here, manage. I will find that it is safe and active, verified, and the privacy is good. Now, how we can actually add the SSL to it? If I click into here, you will find what is SSL. So you can here read, for example, what is SSL is really highly recommended for your domain name, and what does SSL certificate? As you can see here, this is some explanation if you'd like to see it. And yeah, now how we can get it? Pretty simple. Go here. You can here, for example, get your hosting plan. So as you can see here, you will need a hosting plan. So you click here on hosting, get your hosting plan that comes with SSL. So if I want here, you will get a limited free SSL. The same thing goes for here and so go on. So you can get, for example, only this one, and you will get by the end a limited free SSL. Now with $2, what you can get, so this all of these things, when you get it, you'll go to your home, you will find your SSL here, or you can just go to SSLs, and here it will be another button. When you get it, this button will allows you to link the SSL with whatever domain you have in here in Hostinger. So as you can see here, this is my domain name. I can easily connect it with the SSL just with one button if I had the hosting plan byte. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.